Hello guys, in this video I'll show you some potential fixes to actually solve the problem. If your VS Code is slow in starting up, or if it is not responding while you actually work or code inside it, or the window is not responding, or if any of the errors are coming, so you can watch this video. I will show you some potential fixes. So first of all, if your VS Code is not responding, first of all close that and go to Task Manager, and also close in the background. If you are running VS Code, you just need to search for code related process. So if you basically launch VS Code inside Task Manager, most of the time this process will come, which is code. So you need to basically close all the processes. So these are background processes which run. So just restart your VS Code by right clicking it and click on end task. So this will completely turn off VS Code. After that, you can relaunch the VS Code and try to see if the problem is solved. If the problem is not solved, then there is another thing that you can do. You can go to command prompt and you can disable extensions, all the extensions, and launch the VS Code. And for that, there is a command here which you can do, which is code dash dash disable dash extensions. This command will actually disable all the extensions that you have installed inside VS Code and launch the VS Code like this. So now this instance of VS Code, all the extensions will be disabled, and you can actually find out which extension is creating the problem. So all the extensions will be disabled, as you will see. So in this easy way, this command lets you do that. So if the VS Code is working properly, then you need to actually go to extensions one by one, actually see, disable this extension, all the extension that you have installed. One by one do that and just find out which extension is creating the problem, so you can do that. The third fix is that you can actually open this directory, which is, first of all, go to C directory and then go to users directory. Inside that, whatever is your username, go to that, and then there is a folder called as app data. Go to that folder, and then inside that we have the roaming folder, and inside that we have this code folder. So here all the VS Code related files are present. So go into this folder, and inside this folder you will find out three folders. First of all, this folder catch. So it is stores all the catch related files. So first of all, delete this folder, and also delete this folder as that, which is catch data. So just right click, delete this as well. And also there is a third folder which is GPU cache. This stores all the GPU related files. Also select all this and delete this as well. So delete all these three folders and reopen VS Code. And also there is workspace storage folder as well. So if you search for this workspace, I think it's related inside, there will be a user folder. Yeah, so go into the user folder, and inside this there will be this workspace storage folder. So also delete this as well, all the files which are there. So this just contains the caching related files related to VS Code. So once you delete this, restart your VS Code. This will fix corrupted workspace issues. And then there is another fix you can do, which is disable your GPU. For that, there is this command here which you can write, code dash dash disable dot GPU. So if you are using a graphical processing unit, a graphics card, you can disable this VS Code by this command and then run that. So if this works, then you can actually, you can open settings, search hardware acceleration and disable it permanently. And if it doesn't also work, you can actually update your VS Code go to help section and simply check this option, check for updates. And if any sort of new update is there inside VS Code, you can download that and install that. And if also any antivirus is running inside your computer, then you can actually disable that antivirus potentially to actually see if the issue is solved or not. And if all these solutions doesn't work, then there is a last solution that you can do, is that you can uninstall VS Code completely and reinstall. So basically wherever VS Code is installed, so just search VS Code, right click, open file location, again open file location. So right here the VS Code exe file is present, so here also you will see this uninstall. Simply run that setup. So are you sure you want to completely remove VS Code? Simply click yes. So this will uninstall everything and then you can install a fresh copy of VS Code. So you can search VS Code download. So simply download a fresh copy and this will 100% will fix your problem because you will start from scratch. So you can actually apply these solutions one by one. So if your problem is solved, just comment which solution fix your problem and also like the video and subscribe the channel.